Ways to say I miss you. I wish you were here. I long for you. I need to see you. I can't wait to see you again. I miss your smile. All I do is think of you. I want you here with me now. Ways to say very good, perfect, super, fantastic, fine, great, wonderful, tremendous. Ways to say yes, I absolutely agree, definitely, that's right, yep, sounds good to me, I couldn't agree more, sure. Ways to say I was wrong, I screwed up, I messed up, you were right, I made a mistake, how stupid of me, I stand corrected, I was wrong. Ways of asking to repeat. Would you mind repeating me that? Excuse me, pardon, sorry, come again, I beg your pardon. Could you repeat that, please? Could you say that again, please? Other ways to say because, due to, as a result of, by reason of, by virtue of, as, for, considering. Ways to say kind, benevolent, compassionate, caring, tender, being, considerate, warm-hearted. I hope that you got all the other ways of saying miss you very good. Yes, I was wrong. Repeat because and ways to say kind. For such more English videos, subscribe to my channel Learn with Ahmad Shah. Thank you.